Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this time we are going to do the gym test of the Powerbeats 3. Now these are meant for the gym, for exercise, for regular jogging, sports life, so for an active person. So a lot of people have been thinking about it, whether they should get this or not, but it's quite expensive. Now if you compare other sports earphones which are wired, actually which are not truly wireless. These are wireless earphones, but there's a wire connecting both of them. So nowadays you get earphones which are truly wireless sports earphones which do not even have a wire in it at cheaper price than this. So do you actually, should you actually consider buying this, or should you go for other options? So we'll be testing that in the gym to see how good it's going to be in the gym. So I'll be doing a few exercises, I'll do some cardio, I'll do some weights, and then see if it's going to obstruct my exercise, and is it going to be comfortable or not. So let's go ahead and start the exercises, and then we'll talk about it. Okay, so you guys have seen the video. So basically these are good earphones for the gym. So let's talk about the fit first. So basically this fits well. So you see that it's actually staying in place. It won't really move. And in the exercises that I've done, this hardly moves. The only problem comes when you are lifting heavy weight and you make that face, the weight face or whatever you want to call it. At that time, this comes out a little. So for me, that happens a lot. This moves a lot, it comes out, but it will not fall off. So it will come off a little bit, but then you can just push it back in. But there are times that I notice myself pushing it back at least 5-6 times in maybe 10 minutes. So that really disturbs your routine. So again and again you'll have to keep on pushing it back. Now that's only if you're in a gym where there's no other music going on, or if you're alone. If you have other people around, then there's a big problem. So let's talk about that. So the noise isolation on this is not that great, because this is not an in-ear earphone. So basically this looks like an in-ear earphone, but this does not go inside your ear canal. Basically what it does is it stays on top of your ear canal, and then this hooks the entire thing in place, so it does not move. But when you're jogging, when you're running, all the exercises, this moves a little, like this. Now when this happens, your noise isolation breaks. So whatever sound is there outside, like maybe the gym sound or music playing in the gym or people talking, and all those sounds will go into your ears. So that's a little disturbing. Right now no one is in the gym, so right now this is a good earphone for me, because even if it comes out a little, I'm not listening to anything else. It's just the music. So that's going to be a yes or no situation for you, whether you should buy this or not buy this for the gym. Now let's talk about the sound quality. The sound quality on them, they're great. Good sound quality, good bass, good loudness, but the loudness gets disturbed because of the poor noise isolation. So that's a problem that you will have to look into. The only solution I found for this is either put a band around, like one of those headbands, so that this stays in place and then it does not move, so the noise isolation is better. If not, what I've tried is I've tried other earbuds. So I have a few foam earbuds, so those actually take the shape of your ears, and those are longer, so they go in and then take the shape of your ear and do good noise isolation. So if you can get them, then that will be helpful for you. If not, you'll have the noise isolation issue. So sound quality wise good, fit wise good. Then the connectivity on them, I can't really compare it with any of my earphones. The W1 chip works excellent even on an Android phone. So on an iPhone it works good anyways, but on an Android phone it works good too. So I've already done a video on that. So if you want to see that, click on that link on top and then you can see that too. So the connectivity is excellent. You can use it in the gym. You can actually keep it in one room and then go to another room and it's still working. So excellent connectivity option. Now let's talk about the battery life. The battery life on this is very good, 12 hours. It's claimed. I have tested it till 9 hours 15 minutes. So on a full charge, 9 hours 15 minutes, I have been able to use it continuously. Now in that time period, the earphone was not switched off or not paused or anything. It was continuously running and it was running on full volume. So in full volume I got 9 hours 15 minutes. So if you put like 70% or maybe 50% volume, then you may be able to get to the 12 hours mark, but I was not able to get to that one. So all in all, excellent earphone barring the noise isolation issue. Yeah, there is one more complaint that I have, which is this hook. It actually hooks your ear over here and at the back. If you use it for a long time, then this starts paining. So I keep getting irritated with that and I have to keep removing it. You can adjust it. This is actually adjustable, so you can move it like this according to your ear size. You can adjust it and that helps a little bit. But when you adjust it, it becomes loose, and when it becomes loose, then it comes off. So that's a issue that you'll have to look into, but it's manageable. You can adjust it. So when you're exercising, make it harder. When you're not exercising, you're just generally using it, make it looser. That will help you in using it for a longer period of time. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe, hit the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.